Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing your bathroom, kitchen, or windows by hand? Does cleaning your tiles, sinks, and toilet make you dread every weekend? I know exactly how that feels because I used to spend hours trying to get every corner clean, only to end up frustrated and exhausted. But everything changed when I discovered the electric cleaning brush 8-in-1, a multifunctional cleaning tool that completely revolutionized the way I clean. Today, I'm going to show you how this powerful, easy-to-use brush can save you time, effort, and frustration, and why thousands of people around the world are already using it every day. Let's be honest, manual cleaning is hard. Scrubbing floors, walls, bathroom tiles, and kitchen sinks with a normal brush can be backbreaking. You have to bend, kneel, and apply pressure, which often causes hand and wrist pain. Plus, stubborn stains or hard-to-reach corners usually remain dirty even after all that effort. I've tried several manual scrubbers and even motorized tools, but none of them were as versatile or effective as this brush. That's why I decided to give the electric cleaning brush 8-in-1 a try, and I was absolutely amazed at the results. It literally makes cleaning effortless, faster, and more effective than anything else I've used. The electric cleaning brush 8-in-1 is a multifunctional, wireless, rechargeable cleaning brush designed to tackle every corner of your home. With over 5,000 units sold, a 4.5-star rating, and 579 verified reviews, it's clearly a trusted product. Customers are saying things like, "Excellent product, arrived neat and organized, works great on bathroom surfaces. Works perfectly from day one, comes with multiple heads for different surfaces. Very good, highly recommended to anyone who hates manual scrubbing." Seeing all these reviews makes it clear that this brush delivers what it promises. Thousands of people are using it to save time, reduce effort, and achieve spotless results. One of the most impressive things about this brush is its 8 replaceable brush heads, making it extremely versatile. Large flat brush, perfect for cleaning floors and walls. Small flat brush, ideal for sinks, counters, and smaller surfaces. Corner brush, reaches grout, edges, and tight corners. Sponge brush, great for dishes or delicate surfaces. Cloth brush, perfect for wiping windows and smooth surfaces. Copy wool brush, useful for polishing or light cleaning. Scouring pad, removes tough dirt and stains efficiently. And mop brush, ideal for floors and wet cleaning tasks. This brush is perfect for housewives, busy professionals, elderly people, or anyone who hates manual scrubbing. It's a simple way to make cleaning faster, easier, and more enjoyable. The price is around $25 to $30 on AliExpress. I've included the affiliate link in the description. Buy from your browser to ensure proper tracking. If you want to stop wasting hours on manual scrubbing and enjoy spotless results effortlessly, this brush is worth every penny. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more amazing gadget reviews.